In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email template in Salesforce. Creating email templates can save you a lot of time and help ensure consistency in your communication. Whether you're reaching out to potential clients or communicating internally with your team, knowing how to efficiently set up an email template is a valuable skill. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step together. First, you'll need to navigate to Salesforce's homepage. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're not already comfortable with the interface. It's always good to start with a clear view of the tools you'll be using. After you're all set, locate the app launcher, which usually looks like a grid icon. Click on that. In the app launcher, you'll find a range of options. Go ahead and click on Email Templates. This is where you can see existing templates if there are any, and more importantly, where you can make a new one. Next, look for the button that says New Email Template and click on it. This action will lead you to a page where you'll start crafting your new template. Now comes the creative part. You'll need to enter the name of your email template. Choose a clear, descriptive name so that later you and others can easily recognize its purpose. Following this, select the related entity type. This step is crucial as it allows Salesforce to understand which object relationship the template is tied to, such as a contact, a lead, or an opportunity. This choice will affect how your template can be used throughout the system. Once you've set those basic details, it's time to add a description. This is your chance to write a brief explanation of the template's purpose, giving context for anyone else who might use it in the future. Now, focus on the message content section. Here is where you build the actual body of your email. Think of it as the heart of your message. This is what your recipient will read. Take your time to draft something effective and engaging, depending on its purpose. Don't forget about the email subject. It's vital as it's the first thing your recipient sees. The subject should be concise yet informative, so it captures attention immediately. To personalize your emails, you can insert a merge field. Clicking Insert Merge field will allow you to customize the email with specific details, such as the recipient's name, without having to manually enter it each time. This functionality is wonderful for personalizing emails at scale. Choose the appropriate merge field and click Insert. The selected merge field will be embedded into your email content, making it look more personal and professional. Finally, once you're satisfied with everything, don't forget to click on Save. This will store your template in Salesforce and make it ready to use whenever you need it. That's it! Now you have a fully customized email template in Salesforce, ready to streamline your communication process. Thanks for following along and happy templating!